Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So as many of you know from previous videos, I got a 2021 diesel Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Well, we made it to 3,500 miles and we're already having some major issues. So stay tuned to find out what's going on.
From the mud, there's dirt on my hands.
Okay, so like I said in the beginning, our 2021 diesel Jeep Gladiator Rubicon is having issues already. Let me lay a very quick foundation for you because I don't want to bore you guys and I want to get straight to the point of what's going on with this thing right now. I picked it up in January, first week of January. I've already put 3,500 miles on the truck. It's been a wonderful truck so far. I really enjoy driving it. The torque is amazing. Just the feeling of it is amazing. Right now I am still on stock suspension. I'm waiting on the rock crawler kit to come in and then it'll be getting lifted and put back on 40s. Now, like I said, I haven't done anything to it. There's no modifications. There's nothing done yet on this truck. So we hit about 3,500 miles. I'm on my way to work one day and it flashes up on the dash. Well, I'm on my way to work about a week ago and it flashes on the dash, DEF system malfunction, please see dealer. So there you can see that's what it showed on the dash. So obviously if you are aware of these diesels with the DEF systems, if you don't get it worked on and you don't get it fixed and you just let it not work, you will get stranded. It will put a timer on there. You will have a countdown to where this thing will not restart anymore. And if you keep driving it to get it to not restart, you're going to fill up the particulate filter and you're gonna cause yourself even more issues because I'm sure they're not gonna warranty it at that point. So just to lay a little ground level information for you guys so you know that I really don't think it has anything to do with cold weather. Obviously in Michigan right now, actually across like the whole United States, it's been really freaking cold, but I don't think that's the issue. The morning it did this, it was -2, but it was in my garage, so it was probably 15 to 20 degrees in there. So it wasn't like straight out in the elements. And it didn't happen right away. It started when I was already driving on my way to work. Now, I'm going to throw a little bit of knowledge at you from my previous career before getting into real estate. I was a Caterpillar technician for a little over 6 years. When the machines started coming out with the DEF systems, obviously we had a whole sort of problems with the systems and kept having to work on them, and machines would go down and we would have to go out and work on the systems. So my knowledge of that system, I'm not 100% sure if it's exactly what this system is, but I do have some knowledge of how that system works. The urea is what kicks off the regeneration process to burn off the particulates in the filter. So that urea freezes, I believe, at about 12 degrees. So it can't get really cold because it will freeze. Now, the systems are designed to allow that fluid to freeze in the container. So let's back up just a second. When you shut these diesels off that have the urea systems or the DEF systems on them, you will hear like a buzzing sound for quite a while. That is the system purging all of the DEF out of the lines. That way, if it does freeze, it's not going to hurt the lines, it's not going to crack the pump, it's not going to do any of that. It all comes back into the tank. The tanks are designed to handle the freezing and thawing so that they can expand and contract. So that is my knowledge of that system. So if it did malfunction and freeze, and if the system did not purge the lines properly and it froze, that could cause issues. I don't know if that's what's going on. So anyways, I took this thing to the dealer, dropped it off. It had 3 separate codes. I'll put those up on the screen right now. So those are the 3 codes that it came up with. A couple different heater codes, and then obviously for the DEF system. So they told me that it was the pump. They already had another Gladiator in there. Mine lasted to 3,500 miles. That one only lasted to 1,500 miles, and they had to replace a pump. So I don't know if they actually did any actually did any diagnostics at all on this thing, because I really don't think they did. I am pretty sure, hold on, my dog's outside. All right, sorry about that. We have a brand new Husky, and he is an escape artist. Our other Husky did not get out, but I'm sitting here trying to talk to you guys about this, and I look over and I'm like, crap, the puppy's out again. So anyways, I just got done chasing him around, so let me catch my breath. All right, so we're good. All right, so like I was saying, I do not think they did any diagnostic testing at all. I just think that they said, you know what, we're just gonna throw a pump at it. Coming up, you're gonna understand why I'm saying that. So, took a week to get the pump. I don't think they did any diagnostics at all, even though it had 3 separate codes. And they just slapped the pump in. So I go there, and I could rant about the dealership because their service department, God, it bugged the crap out of me. You would go there, talk to them. If it wasn't your service advisor, they had no idea what was going on with the truck at all. Even though the truck was sitting outside, they couldn't tell me like, oh yeah, it's done, or hey, there's notes in there, because there's nothing. Without talking to the tech or the service writer, nobody knew anything. So anyways, he called me, said, all right, pump came in, we got it swapped out. He drove it for 30 miles, we're good to go. Sweet, I'm so excited. You know, I just got a Trailrax rack in that I've been waiting for 6 months to show off to you guys. It's a prototype rack, and you know, I really want to put it on, so of course it comes in when this thing's sitting in the shop. So I go there, pick it up today. You know where this is going. I drive halfway home, boom, check engine lights back on. Yay. So I don't know what's going on with it. Obviously, I'm going to do a second video for this because I want you guys to be able to follow along and know what's going on, but I wanted to give you a heads up that I'm having issues. So if you are having issues, please let me know down in the comment section. This is really annoying. I love this truck and I want to keep it, and I'm hoping that this can get resolved. I did stop at another dealer to get it plugged in. Let me let you know what the new code is, because the new code is different than what the old one was. The new code is a P20E8-00, reluctant pressure too low. So according to Google, that means the powertrain control module monitors reductant pressure as the system primes for injection. So tells me that that is the sensor that primes the system to start a regeneration for the after treatment system. So it has internal diagnostics which evaluate whether the DEF pump is able to meet its demand. If the pump reports insufficient performance for more than a threshold time, then the P20E8 code is set. So what does that tell us? That tells us that that pump's not working. At least that's what it tells me. So we got to bring it back to the dealer so that they can figure out what the heck's going on, and then I will make a second video talking about what that is. It's probably not going to be a long video, so probably add some other stuff into that video just so that it's more than just that. But anyways, if you guys have any ideas, if you've had this issue, please throw it down in the comment sections. I'm hoping that this thing can be reliable. If it's not, my salesman's going to be hearing from me. I'm getting my gasser back. But anyways, I don't want to do that. I'm sure nobody wants to do that. So hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button so that you get notified when I release videos about this truck, because we got a lot of really cool stuff coming that I'm excited to show you guys. So, and the Cherokee Chief, I'm going to do a separate video on that for the guys that are watching that, because that is going to be an epic transformation that is going a route that I was not expecting, but I'm excited about it. So, all right guys, we'll talk to you soon.